to does perform quite well, especially up against that blue sky and the escarpment. Aircraft is powered by two J-85 engines, 2,850 pounds thrust, and they are tiny. They're only like about 3 foot long, but boy do they develop some power. It's the same engine that is in the Learjet.
Pretty amazing. So the USAF actually use these for training vice combat. They were used for combat in the South Vietnamese Air Force.
It's developed from the T-37 trainer, the Tweet, which at that time was the noisiest aircraft in the US Air Force inventory, surpassed by now by the F-35. But believe it or not, this aircraft was developed as a counterinsurgency aircraft. The particular machine is painted up exactly as it was in Vietnam. It's under meticulous restoration by Andy Bishop and the guys. Every placard, every stencil is on there, and all of the markings have been applied by hand as they were in the field. This operated with the 516 Fighter Squadron and the 41st Tactical Air Wing, the Vietnam Air Force. He was actually an ophthalmic surgeon. He was working up in Vietnam and he saw these aircraft, made an approach and actually acquired it. They rebuilt the aircraft to a certain extent up there and got it running, but didn't fly it. The aircraft came back to Australia. It was rebuilt again at Bankstown Airport, and then Michael became crook, couldn't fly it, and he sold it to David Lowy, who already had an A-37 of his own. So these two aircraft at Temora